Hello, my name is Esteban Ceballos, Senior StudentLink Counselor at the StudentLink Center. Welcome to our video series on how financial aid works. I will be providing you with guidance on all things financial aid. Throughout these videos, there will also be short quizzes. I will encourage you to try them as they will enhance your learning experience. Let's talk about managing loans. As you prepare to graduate, get ready to repay your student loans. Good news! Federal student loan borrowers have 6 months grace period before they begin making payments. Use this time to get organized and choose repayment plans that work for you. If you start falling behind on your payments, contact your loan servicer to discuss repayment options. You must complete exit counseling when you leave school or drop below half-time enrollment. The purpose of exit counseling is to ensure you understand your student loan obligations and are prepared for repayment. You'll learn about your federal student loan payments and how they will look like after school. They'll recommend a repayment strategy that best suits your plans and goals. A loan servicer is a company assigned to help you handle the billing and other services on your federal student loan. Your loan servicer will work with you on repayment options such as income-driven repayment and loan consolidation. It will assist you with other tasks related to your federal student loans as well. Keep your contact information up to date so your loan servicer can help you stay on track with repaying your loans. If your situation changes at any time during your repayment period, your loan servicer will be able to help. Let's talk about exploring repayments. Although you may be selected or assigned a repayment plan when you first begin repaying your student loan, you can change repayment plans at any time for free. Contact your loan servicer if you would like to discuss a repayment plan option or change your repayment plan. If you have multiple federal student loans, you can consolidate them into a single direct consolidation loan. This may simplify repayment if you're currently making separate loan payments to different loan holders or servicers, as you'll only have to make one monthly payment. However, there may be trade-offs, so you'll want to learn about the advantages and possible disadvantages of loan consolidation before you consolidate. At New York University, we make sure our graduates are informed as they take on repayment responsibility. As a result, our graduates tend to have some of the lowest default rates in the country. With sweet tools like iGrad and a collection of helpful resources, preparing for repayment of your loans is easy. Nyu Financial Education is an office here to help all community members make sound financial decisions while they're in school and when they graduate. You can access a variety of financial education resources designed to deepen your knowledge of personal finance, such as presentations, recorded videos, and one-on-one coaching. For more information on NYU iGrad and financial education, visit nyu.edu/studentlink or email at financial.education@nyu.edu. Thank you for watching. For more information on this and other financial aid related questions, please visit our website at nyu.edu/studentlink or email us at studentlink@nyu.edu.